Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Vishnu from Popstone, and guess what? The Euphoria unboxing. The box comes with nice build quality of the cardboard, and is the second device of the U, which is a famous of Eureka. The Ascender mode software comes very handy with this device, so a normal user can experience a flashy phone. You can see this cardboard is made up of good quality and Cyanogen's name, and let's see the features of the device. This phone comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 410 and GPU and screen of M5" and internal 16GB and 2GB RAM and 4G and sensors to play games, and this records a video of 180 quality. This box is made up of quality so it can be recyclable, and this phone is sold in Amazon on online at a price of 6,999. Without wasting of time, let's open the box. At first opening the box, the phone is found on the front, so let me keep the device for a while side and I will come back to it bit later. Now open this first box. We will find some paperwork in this cardboard. Let's open it. The U company gives us a screen protector for every mobile to protect the screen, and we get some paperwork on it. It's the specification features of the device, so let me keep it aside, and a user manual and a warranty card and some smart information. On the second box, we'll find the data syncing cable, which is normal cable, and the power adapter, which is of 2 amps, and it also has fast charging. It will charge our device 60% in 45 minutes only, and it also has an LED on the adapter. And let's take the look of the headphones. The headphones has been changed in this mobile, and it is like an iPhone pods, and it has a call answering button with a microphone and the normal 3.5mm jack. And if you see the battery, it has 2230 MHz capacity. I think this is enough for this phone. Now let's open the cover and take the device out of the cover. The device feels really good in hands, and it looks premium device. It is made of metal at the side of the device. It's very lightweight. So let me open the back panel so I can show you some details. It is very thin back cover. We have speaker and 2 4G SIM and a micro SD card. Now let me pop in the battery so I can power it on. And here goes the battery, and let's keep me this panel back again. Yeah, it's closed completely. Now let's see the design. The left side has nothing, and the bottom we have data syncing and charging port. And on the right side we will find a power button covered by with 2 volume rockers. and on the top we'll find an headphone jack, and left it is nothing, just it's a plain metal. On back you have 8 megapixel autofocus and a noise cancellation mic and a flash, and it is soft rubber made, and your phone YU logo and a speaker. On front you will find the 5 megapixel autofocus shooter and some sensors, and it is 5.5 inch 720 resolution. Let's take my cover out. Now let me power on the device. Now quickly start it. This device have on-screen buttons, and we cannot shift these buttons on the device like Eureka. You can see this device is running on latest version, that is Lollipop 5.0.2. I am not a good player to play this game, so I will try to get at least one score on this game. I finally got one. This device is really smooth and runs so fast as it has 2 GB RAM. Let's see the settings. You'll get every settings to customize your device. And let's see the call. The call is integrated Truecaller, so if you get a call, it will show the name of the person. And if you want to post me any video, please comment on the below and I will get back to you very soon. And thank you guys for watching my videos, and please like and subscribe my channel for more further videos.